In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data in Zoho CRM. Two ways. By the end, you'll know how to quickly export records from a single module and how to generate a complete data backup for broader archival or migration needs. Let's get started right from the homepage in Zoho CRM. Make sure you're signed in with a profile that has permission to export data, since this option is typically limited to admins or users with the right privileges. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open Setup. This is your central hub for configuration and data tools. Inside Setup, locate the Export area. That opens the Export dashboard where you can create new exports and manage existing ones. For the first method, use the targeted module-level export. Click Start an Export. You'll be prompted to select a module, such as leads, contacts, deals, or whichever record type you want to take out of the system. After choosing the module, confirm what you want included. If you only need specific records, apply any available filters or criteria so you don't pull unnecessary rows. If you need a complete dump of that module, just leave the defaults as they are. Most teams stick with CSV as the file format because it opens cleanly in spreadsheet tools and can be imported into other platforms. Review the summary, then proceed to export. Zoho will generate the file, and once it's ready, you can download it directly from the export page. This method is ideal when you're preparing a report, sharing a subset of data, or migrating just one part of your CRM. Now for the second method, which is best for a wider snapshot: a full data backup. From that same export screen, select Request Data Backup. Zoho will begin preparing a comprehensive package of your CRM data across modules. Depending on the size of your account, this can take a while, so don't be surprised if it isn't instant. When the backup is ready, you'll see the option to Download Now. Click it to retrieve the archive. Backups are typically delivered as a compressed file containing CSVs for each module, making it easy to store, audit, or transfer your data in a structured way. A couple of closing tips to keep things smooth. Label your exported files with clear dates, store backups in a secure location, and open a sample file in your spreadsheet app to verify that fields and special characters display correctly. And remember, use the module export for quick focused needs and the data backup when you want the big picture of everything.